to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel, and finally welcome to my 23 video series, birthday series. If you're confused, if you're a new subscriber, so last year September May I posted 22 videos because I turned 22. This year I decided to continue the tradition and I'm going to be posting 23 videos this year because I'm turning 23. That's not it. We also do giveaways at the end of each video. So 23 giveaways pakka hone wale hai. But for my Instagram followers, there are going to be 7 bonus giveaways as well. So total 30 giveaways are going to happen in this month. So definitely follow me on my Instagram and also press the bell button so that you're up to date when I'm posting. About the posting, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing 23 videos, but not necessarily they'll be back to back 23. I might take a gap in between. Maybe I was thinking around my birthday, I'll take a little bit of a break. But 23 videos pakka honge September mein. Okay, I think I've gotten all the facts out of the way. Let me know in the comments down below how you found the intro for this year. We planned a lot and I think I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Let me know what you guys thought, of course. Now, let's just get started with today's video.
Who bowled the pun? Let me know what you guys thought of the intro.
So, as for today's video, I decided to start this series on a more personal note. I don't think I've ever done a sit down random facts wala video, and I've been meaning to do it for a while. I don't know if a lot of you even care to watch this, but I thought it would be nice to do a personal video. So, okay, let's start with the first random fact about me. So, I have a very weird relationship with electronics. Let me explain. So, whether I'm using a laptop, my phone, a TV, whatever it may be, when I start using the product, the electronic, it kind of starts hanging and just starts acting weird. Aditya, can you attest to that?
Yes.
It's so weird. I actually got a new laptop. I don't think it's even been a month and it already hangs every time I use it. But every time someone else uses it, it's completely fine, which is so bizarre, and it's ironic that I have to deal with electronics every single day and they don't work properly in my hands. So that's fact number 1. So I feel like everyone has a nervous habit. My nervous habit is to bite my nails. Or in this case right now that I wear press-on nails, or even when I used to wear acrylic nails, it was to pick on the nails and try to remove them. I do that a lot. Abhi to thoda zyada hi ho gaya because I've been very anxious lately because of the whole series and stuff like that. So I actually do it every single day. And a lot of times, you guys, when you watch my vlogs, you're like, oh, ye finger ka nail missing hai, and then next clip mein fir se aa jata, because I keep picking on them and then I stick them back on because I have to film and stuff like that. So that's my nervous habit for sure. When I was younger, I had the worst nail biting habit, which I still do, but abhi my nails aren't really exposed because there's always something on top of them. But yeah, that's definitely my worst. It's really bad. It's a bad habit, that's for sure. Let's talk about ice cream. Everyone loves ice cream, right? I not so much. I mean, yeah, I do maybe a flavor or two. Not so much into the whole chocolate ice cream situation. But what I used to really like was orange dolly hota na, normal ice, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ice candy, orange ice candy. I used to love it and I used to have it a lot. So that was the only ice cream that I used to like, and the ironic thing is that I'm now allergic to it. So basically I'm allergic to anything that has artificial sugars, and it just really irritates my throat, and it also sometimes gives me a fever. So yeah, that's random fact about me, I guess. Actually, let's talk about more things that I'm allergic to. So ठीक है, allergic quote unquote मैं पकड़ो because I haven't formally gotten tested, but I have noticed that in taking all of these products, kind of my body doesn't react very well to them. So number 1 is dairy products. Milk though I cannot consume at all. I'll get loose motions the very next day, that's for sure. So I can't take milk. I can't have Tang also because again the artificial sugar thing. और क्या है? I think that's it. I think those are the only things I'm allergic to. I don't know why for a second I thought there's something more. But no, these are the only two primary things that don't work very well for my body. Okay, next. So I am a very, very vivid dreamer. Every single night I'll have lots of dreams, not just one dream. I'll have so many just like random dreams, but a lot of times in my dreams I get ideas. So let me give you an example what I mean by ideas. So last year, around October, for some reason randomly, I was not even about like thinking about it. Okay, so randomly October में मुझे सपना आया कि planner launch करते हैं Simbaa Lifestyle के लिए. Actually, this is now 2 years back, not last year. So I got an idea and like a full-on dream, okay, कि क्या क्या pages होंगे उसके अंदर, what's the cover gonna look like, everything like details. And that's how I got the planner, like to launch a planner का idea. So that was idea number one. Other than that, a lot of my YouTube videos also मुझे सपने में आते हैं. So which is why actually I've started keeping my diary next to me when I sleep. So when I wake up, I'll like quickly jot everything down so that I don't forget it. I have realized that I do get a lot of really like creative, cool ideas in my dreams. So that is definitely a very random fact about me. Let's talk more about sleep actually, because I love sleeping. I can literally sleep for the whole day. Like I'm not even kidding. रात को अगर मैं सो गई समझो 12 बजे, which is very unlikely. I sleep at like 4. But for example, if I were to sleep at 12, if I don't set an alarm or if someone doesn't wake me up, I can literally sleep through the entire night and the entire day. So I remember a lot of times when I was in college, I would stay at my nanny's place a lot, and I would have my dinner, go to sleep, wake up at like 1 or 2, have lunch, sleep the whole day, have dinner, sleep again. And I'm not kidding, I can actually do that. I don't have the time to do that anymore. Actually, you know what, I should do that on my birthday maybe, because it's just so refreshing. I love to sleep and I can sleep for endless number of hours. So I'm a stomach sleeper. Whenever I try to go to sleep, I actually fall asleep like very quickly. But if I am sleeping on my back, मुझे नींद आएगी ही नहीं. Like even if I try for hours, I will not fall asleep if I'm trying to sleep on my back. But the minute I switch to my stomach, I'm not even kidding, within minutes I'll fall asleep if I'm sleeping on my stomach. So I'm a stomach sleeper. Let me know in the comments down below what is your sleeping position. I don't know why I find it interesting, but let me know in the comments down below. Of course, I have one more fact, last one related to sleeping. So when I'm flying, when I'm on the flight, I sleep throughout the whole journey. So the minute I get into the seat, I'll buckle up and I'll sleep. And I will not wake up till the flight lands. I used to actually tell my friends कि मैं ऐसा करती हूँ, तो they were like, हाँ चल पका मत. But Aditya, please tell them.
It's true, guys. It's true.
I will not wake up for a minute. It doesn't matter if we're like traveling to Goa, which is like 30 minutes away, or even if I'm flying to the US, I will like sleep the whole flight. There's actually one more fact related to sleeping. I'm so sorry. I can hear everything when I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping, मेरे आजू बाजू कोई बात करेगा या इनफैक्ट थोड़ा दूर भी बात करेगा ना, मुझे सब सुनाई देगा. And when I wake up the next morning, I can like say word to word what you guys were talking about. What you guys know, what XYZ was talking about. So yeah, that's a random fact about me, which I actually think is pretty cool. The next random fact, I don't think is very random. It's very generic actually. I hate cockroaches. Who doesn't hate cockroaches? Please let me know in the comments down below if you don't find cockroaches gross. I don't think I've ever met anyone who likes cockroaches. But having said that, I don't really mind spiders. I don't really mind snakes. I don't mind any other animal, to be very honest, other than cockroaches. So on to the next fact. I think for 10 or 11 years of my life, I've actually lived with my nanny. Like majority of the time, I used to actually just go to my parents' house रात को सोने के लिए, because both of my parents are working, right? And even were working back then. So ever since I was 6 months old, I have lived with my nanny till I was 11 or 12 years old. So I'm extremely close to my nanny. She's my A1. So yeah, that's the next fact. There's another fact connected to that. So when I was in 6th grade, my mom and I moved to the US for a year because my mom had to go for work to Stanford over there, and I think she even studied there for a bit. It's a little unclear to me because it's been a while, but I actually even studied in the US for a year. I was in California for a year, and honestly that experience was life-changing for me because I feel like the person that I am today has a lot to do with that 1 year of my life. It really like shaped me. And yeah, a lot of you guys ask me about that story. So that's the story in short. My mom and I lived there for a year, and my dad came to visit us for like 3 months. So we lived without my dad for kitna months? 9, 10, 11, 12? Yeah, 9 months. 9 months. Oh, I have one more fact related to like education. So in 15 years of education, I've changed 7 schools or like colleges. So I've been to 4 different schools and 3 different colleges. So yeah, I've moved a lot and I've met a lot of people. So yeah, that's my educational background. This is probably the most random fact ever. Like it's so irrelevant, but I thought it's random. Let's add it in. I own only 1 pair of denim shorts since the last 5-6 years at least, and those are the only pair of denim shorts I wear, by the way. And you guys always ask me ki kahan se hai. I have no idea kahan se hai because a very old friend of mine gave them to me. They were hers, they didn't fit her, so I took her shorts, and those are the only shorts that I wear ever. No matter where we go, I take those shorts with me and I'm always wearing those shorts. Okay, let's talk about some nicknames, ठीक है? 2 that have like stuck for a while. I think 1 saal ke liye to they've stuck. The first one is Simbaa. Simbaa to has been like a nickname bachpan se, but now my friends have also started calling me that. So that's nickname number 1. Nickname number 2, I can't believe I'm telling this story on the internet, but it is Maddie. Okay, so when I was in the US, people couldn't really pronounce my name. In fact, people can't pronounce my name even here in India. A teacher of mine actually recommended that let's start calling her Maddie because Mridul, Maddie makes more sense, you know what I mean? So everyone used to call me Maddie wahan pe, and I don't know why, I thought it was a good idea to come here and tell my friends this story, and now everyone calls me Maddie. And by the way, I also had a Facebook page. Uska naam tha Maddie Brown. I don't know why. I think tabhi a lot of people wouldn't put their real name on like social media, so I chose this name for me, and now everyone calls me Maddie.
All thanks to
All thanks to Aditya, actually. He's the one who's put it in everyone's mouth.
I brought it back to life.
Let's talk a little bit about food. I'm not a picky eater at all. I literally eat everything. I even like Karela. There are very, very few things that I don't like. But let's talk about the things that I really, really like. I think I could eat French fries every single day of my life and still not get bored of it. So that's definitely like on top of the list of like the things that I really like. Other than that, I really, really enjoy Mexican food. Unfortunately, India mein utna acha milta nahi hai, but I love burritos. I love guacamole and chips, but kahin milta nahi hai yahan pe. So I really miss Chipotle. And oh my god, talking about this is making me literally droll. I also love hot Cheetos, by the way. Love hot Cheetos. वो भी इंडिया में इतना easily नहीं मिलता है. I think Amazon पे मिलता है, but like one packet is for like 600-700 rupees. So not very affordable. So the next fact is definitely something I need to work on. It's not a positive fact by any means. I do not charge my equipment, electronics at all. More so my phone, I feel like. So when I'm using my phone, I see कि battery low है बराबर, but I will not charge my battery till it doesn't reach 2% battery. Let me know if you're like me in the comments down below. This is such a bad habit because Aditya and also a lot of my other friends keep telling me कि what if there's an emergency, you know what I mean? And if your phone is at 2%, what are you gonna do? I'm trying to like work on it, not going very well so far, but I do that with even my laptop. Like 5% battery nahi aayega na, tab tak I will not charge it. However, my next habit is a positive one. It is that before I go to bed, I'll clean a little bit before I go to bed. By this, I don't mean that I'll like make my full room spick and span. No, that happens sometimes, but not always. But every day, thoda sa I have to like clean at least the surface area. I just feel overwhelmed, honestly. So I'll just do like a very surface level cleanse and then I'll go to bed. So the next trait is a very recently acquired. So I am addicted to Amazon. I was actually never addicted to shopping as such. Like I don't really care about like buying things too much. I'm grateful that I have a job wherein I get sent most of the things, so I don't really need to go and buy things as such. But Amazon, oh my god, like every day I scroll on Amazon for at least 30 minutes minimum and I'll place an order for something, at least something almost every day, which is not good at all. A little bit more about my spending habits. So I think this trait I've acquired from my dad. So whenever I want to buy something, whether it's like as little as say
polish.
Nail polish, thank you. Or something as extravagant as maybe like a TV or a laptop or something like that. I don't really think too much before buying it. So what I mean is, if I like something, or rather if I love something, I'll buy it. But I need to feel convinced in my heart that I'm going to use it, I like it, of course, all of that. But once mere dil mein baith gaya, I will buy it. I don't think too much before spending. I do think is it like a worthless spend? Am I going to use it and stuff like that? But if I love it, you know I'm gonna buy it. A lot of you guys ask me on my Instagram actually what are the new shows that you're binging and what TV series are you seeing? Guys, I don't watch TV series at all. So I have seen like a couple which are my favorites. Actually couple nahi, teen hi maine dekhe hai. Friends, GOT and Gossip Girl, and by the way those are my favorite TV series, and those are the only ones I'll probably keep rewatching. But I do not like watch a TV series on the regular because I just feel like it's too distracting. My favorite movie is, it's very embarrassing, don't judge me, K3G. I love Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. It's my all-time favorite movie. And other one, I think it's going to be very relatable. Everyone loves this movie. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani is my second favorite movie. I can watch these movies over and over again, especially K3G. I used to watch K3G every single Sunday when I was in school. Now let's talk about my favorite books. A lot of you guys ask me, tell us your favorite books. So I'll give you my top 3. ये मैंने काफी बार बोला है, so you might already know. Girl Boss, number 1, number 2, Palace of Illusions, and number 3 is called Princess. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below because I feel like these books everyone should read. They're so good. The next fact about me is that I have traveled 20 plus countries, and I want to give my dad a shout out. In fact, even my mom, both of them love traveling, and that's the only reason why I've been able to travel so much, and I'm very, very grateful. I'm going to pop up the number of countries I've traveled to because I don't know, I should have done my research and like counted everything, but I don't know abhi. So yeah, I'll leave it on the screen. And the last random fact about me is that I smell everything. You guys already know this. A lot of you guys even commented ki Mridul likes to smell everything. I do. Whether it's food also, by the way, if I'm like eating something, I make sure to smell it first and then eat it. If it's a candle, if it's a shampoo, if it's anything, literally anything, I like to smell everything before it either goes in my body or on my body, or even if it's just like sitting randomly on the table, I'd still smell it. And I think that's it for today's video. I really hope this wasn't a boring one. This was just like such a random sit down chill video. I hope you guys got to learn something more about me. And today's giveaway is, so for day 1 I'm going to be giving away these products from the Face Shop. In order to win, you need to follow these simple rules. The first one being subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow Simbaa Lifestyle on Instagram, follow me on my Instagram, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!